coffee or tea stains on your teeth, I want to try this whitening powder. It is easy to use. Just wet your toothbrush deep into the powder and the brush like a normal. Okay, drop your brush tooth like that and brush as a normal. This is how it look like. Mouth feel fresh after the brushing. The formula helps to clean the teeth and remove the everyday stain. The powder also helps to fresh your breath, which is something always looking for. The packs come with 2 packs, so you can use a long time. If you are looking for the easy way upgrade to your brushing routine, this is a good option. Thank you for watching.